equivalent resistance. When resistors are connected in series, or resistors are in series combination. For sake of simplicity, let 3 resistors having resistance R1, R2, R3 are joined as shown. Then I is current flowing. These are what resistors in series. As we have done for capacitors, again same thing. Single path for current to flow between 2 points, single path. Then what? Resistors are said to be connected in series. V, potential difference across AB, R1, R2, R3, D, 3 resistors in series between A and B. V1, V2, V3. Say potential difference here is V1, here is V2, here is V3. Current same. Potential difference between 2 points is V. So another potential difference. B, potential difference across R1, R2, R3. We know VRI Ohm's law, R V by I, R V by I. What is R? Total equivalent resistance. Similarly, but V, V1, V2, V3. As V is Ri, similarly V1 R1I, current is same, V2 R2I, V3 R3I, putting these values in first V RI, V1 R1I, R2I, R3I, or I cancel common, R, R1, have taken 3 resistors for sake of simplicity. For n resistors are R1, R2, so on, Rn. So equivalent resistance is sum of resistances of individual resistors when they are connected in series. Equivalent resistance, total resistance, when resistors are connected in parallel. Total resistance when resistors are connected in parallel. For sake of simplicity, take 3 resistors, connect them in parallel between 2 points A and B. This is potential difference or battery V. So V remains same across R1, R2, R3, but current changes. Say I1, I2, I3. So this is circuit for resistors in parallel. For series there was single path. For parallel, when there are many paths for current to flow between 2 points, then resistors are said to be connected in parallel. Let R1, R2, R3 be 3 resistors connected in parallel between A and B. Apply potential difference V, where across A and B, I current flowing in circuit I1, I2, I3, B currents through So V remains same. Across R1 same V, across R2 same V, R3. Then I1 plus I2, I3. This is total current divided in 3 currents. So this. But V, Ri, I, V by R. Similarly, I1, V by R1, I2, V by R2, I3, V by R3. Putting in first. I V by R, V by R1, V by R2, V by R3, or 1 by R, V common cancel out, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. So, this is what equivalent resistance when resistance are connected in parallel. Color code for carbon resistances. This table plus something else is what color code for carbon resistances. What is the color code? There is color, number, multiplier. Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. Multiplier 10 power 0, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10 power 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9. What we are doing? Color code for carbon resistances. Color, number, multiplier. This is color code plus something else. What is number starting from 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So easily remembered. Multiplier 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4. Colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. Means for black number is 0, multiplier is 10 raised to power 0. For brown number is 1, multiplier is this. So they are remembered easily. 0, 1, 2 up to 9, 10 power 0, 10, 1, easily remember. How to remember these sequences? There is a name, B. Roy. Some name, Great Britain. Very good wife. B.B. Roy, he lives in Great Britain. He is having a very good wife. First B for black, second B for brown, Roy, R red, O orange, Y yellow, Great green, Britain blue. There are 3 B's. BB and B, Britain. So first B is black, second is brown, Britain B is blue. very violet, good gray, white. There are 2G, green, great green. So how to remember this sequence? This is name B.B. Roy, Great Britain, having what? Very good wife. From this we can remember the sequence. This is easy, 0, 1, 2, 3. Means for blue, it is 6 number. There are 2 more colors. Multiplier or gold and silver. 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power minus 2. Tolerance for gold and silver. 5%, 10%. If no color, tolerance is 20%. Leaving this table plus these things, this is what color code for carbon resistances. Suppose there is question, write color code for carbon resistances. So this is this table plus these things. There are 2, here there are what? 10 colors. 2 colors rest. There is no number for them. Gold and what is this? Silver, no number. Only what? Multiplier. There is a word tolerance of for gold and silver, 5, 10%. If no color tolerance. क्या है ये अभी बताएंगे हम. This is what color code. How to remember this sequence? By this, B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. 3B, B for black, brown, Britain, B blue, right? How to apply color code? First ring color. First ring color gives first digit of carbon resistance. Second ring color gives second digit of carbon resistance. Third ring color gives multiplier. Fourth ring color gives tolerance. How will solve numericals by this? How to apply? First ring color gives first digit, second ring color, second digit of किसके है ये carbon resistance. Third ring color. For example, this is a carbon resistance. ये black होता है, black cylinder. ये marker जैसे marker है, इस तरह का. ये white है, ये black. ये connecting wire है, ये connecting wire. It is having 3 or 4 rings of different colors. 3 or 4. 1 left से count करेंगे. 2, 3, 4 rings. Say it is red. Say it is blue. Second. Say it is yellow. Say it is gold. What is question figure? Find resistance of carbon resistance in figure. क्या बताया मैंने? ये वाइट है, ब्लैक, इस तरह से सिलेंडर है, ये कनेक्टिंग वायर है. इस सिलेंडर पर देयर आर रिंग्स, आइदर 3 और 4. 1 लेफ्ट से काउंट करेंगे, 2, 3, 4. ये फर्स्ट रिंग है. फर्स्ट रिंग कलर गिव्स फर्स्ट डिजिट. B, Roy, R. 0, 1, 2. ये तीसरा है, तीसरा, लेकिन स्टार्ट कहां से करेंगे? 0, 0, 1, 2. First ring color gives first digit. Red. 2. First digit. Number. B, Roy, R. 0, 1, 2. Second ring color gives second digit. Second ring is blue. B, Roy, R, O, Y. Great Britain. 6. B, ये second blue. B, Roy, R, O, Y. Great Britain blue. 0 से स्टार्ट करिए. 6. First ring color gives first digit. Second ring color gives second digit. Third ring color will give multiplier. Yellow. B, Roy, R, O, Y. Yellow. Fifth है, fifth. 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो 4 ohm. Plus minus. Fourth ring color gives what? Tolerance. Tolerance for gold and silver. 5, 10. This is gold. So resistance is this. Plus 5% more or minus 5% less. So this is what color code for carbon resistance is. और देख लेते हैं एक रिंग्स. ब्लू, black, gold. Now 3 rings. 3 rings are there. R, blue. B, Roy. Great Britain. 7वां है, 7वां. 0 से शुरू होगा. 6. Black. 0. Third ring gives tolerance. Third ring gives multiplier. 10 minus 1 watt ohm. There is no fourth ring. What? 20%. This is what color code for carbon resistance is. A uniform circular loop of resistance 4R. Find resistance across diameter. This is uniform circular loop. Resistance is this. Find across diameter, across AB. So resistance above AB is 2R, below AB it is 2R. What? Mind में ही लगाई है ये बैटरी. Now there are two paths. So these are in parallel. LCM 2R. So RB. It is what? R. 3 ohm. There is a capacitor 3 ohm. There is battery 15 volt. Find current drawn from battery. This is the question. This is capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad. DC never flows. DC charge the capacitor, it never flows. So this resistance is meaningless. DC can't flow through capacitor, it can charge only. Capacitor can be charged by DC, but DC can't flow through capacitor. So there is no current here. So this resistance is meaningless. Resistance between C, D, E, 3 plus 3, 6 ohm, because they are in series. Resistance across A and E. A and E, this 6, this 3. They are in parallel. A, ये 6 होगा, 6, 2 paths. One by 3, 1 by 6, 6, 2 plus 1. This RP is what? 2 ohm. Resistance across A and B. This 3 and 3, 6. This 6 and 3, 2. This 2 and 3 series. Five ohm. So current V by R. V is 15. R is 5. 3 ampere. Ampere current passed through 2-meter long copper conductor having electron density 28. And cross-sectional area find time. For flow of this current. Time, distance upon velocity. Distance given कहीं से ये निकालने ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी, we can find I 3 एम्पियर। कहां से आ सकती है ये I E N A V D? We know this, we know this, we know this. We can find this. The question will be solved. E, charge of one electron. N, A, L 2 meter. VD, I, ENA, I, 3E 1.6, N, VD, we have to calculate ENA, ENA. E N E. It is 3, 3.2, minus 23, plus 5, it is 3.32, 10 minus 5 meter per second. So what time? L by VD, 2 by VD, to VD. This is VD. Two point 0.65 watt seconds. Find current drawn from 12 ohm internal resistance 5 ohm battery in given infinite ladder. A, B, this is what battery, what 12 ohm, 12 volt, 5 ohm internal resistance, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Infinite ladder. Question: find current drawn from this battery in given infinite ladder, and battery is of 12 volt, 0.5 ohm. Let resistance on left hand side of CD X. Redraw figure. One. This is what X. This was A, B, C, D. The left hand side, it is X. Now resistance across CD. They are in parallel 1 and X. Then figure becomes like this. Now resistance A, C, D, B, 1 plus 1. This will be the resistance. Then this will be what? xy. There are thousands of resistances, thousands. We have taken them x. Now 3 more. Then it will be what? Nearly same. Look, many resistances, the total resistance is what? X. 3 more. Then what will be the resistance? It will be x. So x plus 1 plus x plus 1 x square plus x. 1x goes with this. It is x square minus 2x minus 2 is 0. X comes out to be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac minus 2 4ac by 2a. It is 12. Four outside means 2. Seven, 3, 2 by 2. It is 1 plus minus. It is what? 2.732 ohm. Another is what? Negative. So rejected. So this is X. Total resistance 2732 plus what was the rest resistance of this battery? It is 3.232 watt ohm. Therefore current P by R V 12 R this is what current. So